let's talk about making the perfect slip solution for a security film. A couple items that you'll need is 1 gallon of distilled water. Second item, Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, measuring cup in ounces, and let's go ahead and get started. First step, what you want to do is get some Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. Go ahead and pour that 2 ounces into the measuring cup there. And the reason that we love Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, 1, it's an industry standard, and 2, it's mild and gentle. So it's not gonna eat at the film, it's not gonna create any weird type of haze or discoloration. And next item is your gallon of distilled water. So with distilled water, won't create any type of haze, it won't clog any lines. 2 ounces of Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo for every gallon of distilled water. So what you wanna do is pour this in to your gallon of distilled water. We got that there. Place your cap, go ahead and give it a good shake, and now you've created the perfect slip solution for security film.